Okay, so welcome back. So in this video, ang isosolve natin na lab is SQL injection attack, listing the database contents on non-Oracle databases. So, basahin natin muna. So this lab contains a SQL injection vulnerability in the product category filter. The results from the query are returned in the application's response, so you can use a union attack to retrieve data from other tables. So napaka-specific. Use union attack. The application has a login function and the database contains the table that holds username and passwords. You need to determine the name of this table and column it contains, then retrieve the contents of the table to obtain the username and password of all users. To solve the lab, log in as administrator user. Okay? So, take note, non-Oracle databases, no? So, ang pang-comment natin is dash dash, no? So, let's load the lab. And again, we are targeting the category filter. So, let's click this category. So, accessories. So, una, ang pwede natin gawin is to first try and guess some sort of the SQL query, no? So, pwedeng select star from table, so whatever table where category equals accessories, no? And again, kailangan natin malaman kung ilang number of columns yung rene-return ng ating SQL query. So, what we can do is to close the category and say order by, let's say 1, and then dash dash. No? So, let's try this kung nagana. And I guess gumana, order by 1. So let's try order by 2. Gumana pa rin. Let's try order by 3. And nag-internal server error. So meaning, kung nag-internal server error siya, hindi siyang makapag-order by 3, meaning there are 2 columns sa ating category, sa ating table. Okay? So again, hindi siya makapag-order by 3, so there are only 2 columns. Okay? So, next is, alam na natin na 2 columns lang siya. Next is, we can do now yung union select attack natin. No? So, union select, and then say 1, 2, and then comment. Okay? So, let's copy and paste this. Tignan natin kung saan nagre-reflect yung ating attack. No? So, nag-internal server error, possibly, hindi integers yung data type ng ating column. So, baka string, no? So, let's say A and B, no? So, they are now both strings. Let's try this. And, there you go. Gumana. So, yung A and B ay nasaan? Ayan, nandito sa baba, A and B. Okay? So, alam natin na yung dalawang columns natin ay may data type na string. So, kailangan natin ngayon hanapin kung ano yung pangalan ng ating table, no? So, since ito ay isang non-Oracle database, hinahanap natin yung table name from information schema.tables, no? So, gawin natin yon, union select. So, close natin muna yung category. Then, union select. The table name. Okay, hinahanap natin yung table name from the information schema.tables. Then, don't forget the comment. So, remember, meron tayong 2 columns na string. So, kailangan 2 columns din yung magiging union select natin. Kaya, ninagdagan natin ng B. So, hindi naman siya kailangan na B. Pwede namang null or whatever. Pero, as long as dalawang columns. So, let's try this. Inject tayo dito. And there you go. We have seen the table ng information schema tables. And let's see kung ano ba yung interesting na table dito. So, mukhang mga normal SQL tables ito. So, maybe let's look for a table ko na interesting. Maybe, let's see. administrable, not that. Tingin pa tayo. Baka nalagpasan ko na. Let's see. Baka may users. Ayan, users. So, alam na natin ngayon na meron kang table na ang pangalan ay users underscore knx dkh. No? So, let's take note of that. So, ngayon, kailangan na natin i-query yung users underscore knx dkh. Tama? So, ang kailangan natin ngayon is to query the columns naman. Okay? So, let's erase our query. So, union select column name. And then, from information schema dot columns. Okay? Columns na yung hinahanap natin. Where yung table is users underscore knxdkh. Okay? So, this may change sa inyo, but the idea is still the same. Okay? And again, do not forget na we have here 2 columns. So, kailangan balanced yung ating SQL query. So, union select column name B from information schema.columns where table equals users underscore knxdkh. Okay? So, let's copy and paste this. And internal server error. So, let's see. Bakit? Baka meron tayong typo. Where table underscore name. Okay? Table underscore name equals users underscore knxdkh. So, typo. Copy and paste. And this should work. Okay? So, now, we have here the columns, okay, na username underscore opzqjs and password underscore sblspe. Okay? So, ngayon, kailangan natin kunin yung laman netong columns na to. Okay? So, take note natin yung 2 columns na yan. And let's delete our initial query. So, again, ito na yung columns natin. So, username underscore opzqjs and password underscore sblspe. And again, yung table natin is from users knxdkh, no? And don't forget to comment. Okay, so ito na yung payload natin. And let's do this. Copy and paste. And as you see, we have winner, Carlos, and administrator as the 3 users. So ngayon, we can now use the administrator credentials to log in as administrator. So administrator and paste the password. And there you go. Nakapag-login na tayo and we have now solved the lab. Okay? So I hope naintindihan nyo itong video na to and I hope to see you in the next video.